Valencia, a vibrant city on Spain's eastern coast, harmoniously blends ancient history with modern dynamism. Its historic core showcases architectural treasures like the Valencia Cathedral and Torres de Serranos, remnants of medieval grandeur. The futuristic city of arts and sciences, a symbol of contemporary innovation, stands in stark contrast. Home to lively markets like Mercado Central and the golden shores of Malvarosa Beach, Valencia is a sensory delight for gastronomy and relaxation. With colorful festivals such as Las Fallas and a warm Mediterranean climate, Valencia captivates visitors with a rich tapestry of culture, history, and the zest for life. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe. Join us for more exciting content and updates. Just hit that subscribe button. It's that easy. Let's stay connected and dive into the fun together. Number 1. The City of Arts and Sciences in Valencia is a futuristic architectural marvel that seamlessly blends science, art, and culture. This cultural complex, designed by Santiago Calatrava and Felix Candela, comprises avant-garde structures like the Hemisférico, an eye-catching planetarium, and the Palau de les Arts Reina Sofia, a stunning opera house. The complex also features the futuristic Umbracal, a landscape walk with native plants and sculptures. Its cutting-edge design and interactive exhibits at the Science Museum and Oceanographic Aquarium make it a captivating destination, attracting visitors worldwide to explore the intersection of creativity and scientific discovery. Two, Toita Gardens in Valencia is a lush urban oasis, brimming with diverse landscapes and recreational spaces. Created from the redirected Turia River after a flood, the gardens stretch across 9 kilometers through the heart of the city. Strolling along its pathways, visitors encounter bridges, fountains, and sports facilities. The park also houses the futuristic City of Arts and Sciences. With playgrounds, botanical gardens, and serene ponds, Toita Gardens offers a serene escape from urban hustle. It stands as a testament to Valencia's commitment to green urban planning, providing a tranquil retreat for residents and tourists alike. Three, Valencia Cathedral, a Gothic masterpiece in Spain, showcases a rich tapestry of history and architectural splendor. Built over several centuries, its construction began in the 13th century on the site of former mosque. The cathedral's iconic features include the megalithic tower, an imposing structure offering panoramic views of the city. Inside, visitors encounter the Holy Grail, believed by many to be the chalice used by Jesus at the Last Supper. The cathedral's ornate chapels, intricate sculptures, and religious artifacts add to its cultural significance, making it a profound symbol of Valencia's religious heritage and architectural prowess. Four, Valencia's central market, Mercado Central, is a vibrant culinary haven and architectural gem. Dating back to 1928, this bustling market is one of Europe's largest fresh produce markets. Its stunning modernist design, characterized by stained glass and ceramic tiles, captivates visitors. Inside, over 1,000 stalls offer a kaleidoscope of fresh fruits, vegetables, meats, and local delicacies, reflecting the region's gastronomic diversity. From aromatic spices to Iberian hams, the market is a sensory feast. The lively atmosphere, enthusiastic vendors, and a treasure trove of flavors make Mercado Central a must-visit for those seeking an authentic taste of Valencia's culinary heritage. Five, Malvarosa Beach, an iconic stretch of golden sands in Valencia, beckons sunseekers with its Mediterranean charm. Named after the aromatic Malvarosa flower, the beach boasts a lively promenade dotted with restaurants, bars, and shops. Its wide expanse offers a perfect setting for sunbathing and leisurely strolls. The azure waters are inviting for a refreshing swim, and beachgoers can partake in various water sports. As the sun sets, the beachfront transforms, with vibrant nightlife adding to its allure. Malvarosa is not just a beach, it's a lively coastal retreat where locals and visitors embrace the sun and sea. Six, El Micalet, also known as Miguelit, is the bell tower of Valencia Cathedral, standing proudly in the heart of Valencia's historic center. Constructed in the 14th century, this Gothic tower reaches a height of 51 meters, offering panoramic views of the city. Its octagonal shape and intricate detailing showcase medieval craftsmanship. Visitors can climb the 207 steps to the top, where breathtaking vistas of Valencia and its surroundings await. El Micalet, with its imposing presence and historical significance, stands as a symbol of the city's architectural heritage, inviting exploration and appreciation for centuries of Valencian history. Seven, Plaza de la Virgen, nestled in Valencia's Old Town, exudes historic charm and cultural significance. The square is a captivating blend of architectural wonders featuring the iconic Valencia Cathedral, the Basilica of the Virgin, and the Archbishop's Palace. Its focal point is the stunning Turia fountain adorned with Neptune and 8 naked women representing the city's irrigation channels. The plaza's ambience invites locals and tourists to relax on its steps, soak in the atmosphere, and witness cultural events. Plaza de la Virgen serves as a timeless meeting place where history, spirituality, and daily life converge in Valencia's vibrant tapestry. Eight, Plaza del Ayuntamiento at the core of Valencia is a vibrant and iconic square pulsating with civic life. Surrounded by architectural marvels including the Ayuntamiento de Valencia, City Hall, and historical buildings, it serves as the city's nerve center. The square hosts lively events, parades, and cultural celebrations, reflecting Valencia's dynamic spirit. Adorned with fountains, greenery, and the elegant post office building, it provides a picturesque setting for locals and visitors alike. As a hub for social gatherings and political demonstrations, Plaza del Ayuntamiento encapsulates the essence of Valencia, where history, governance, and community converge harmoniously. Nine, the Valencia Aquarium, known as Oceanographic, is a spectacular marine complex within the City of Arts and Sciences. As Europe's largest aquarium, it immerses visitors in an aquatic wonderland, featuring diverse marine ecosystems. Striking architecture and underwater tunnels enhance the immersive experience, allowing guests to walk among sharks, rays, and vibrant coral reefs. The aquarium showcases a wide array of marine life, from playful dolphins and beluga whales to exotic species in thematic sections. L'Oceanographic not only educates about ocean conservation but also captivates with its innovative design, making it a must-visit destination for marine enthusiasts and families alike. Ten, Valencia boasts ancient gates that whisper tales of its historical significance. The Torres de Serenos, constructed in the 14th century, stand as formidable Gothic remnants of the city's medieval fortifications. These imposing gates, once part of the defensive walls, now offer panoramic views of Valencia. The Torres de Court, also dating back to the 14th century, mirror the Serenos' grandeur and serve as enduring symbols of Valencia's medieval past. Both gates, steeped in history and architectural prowess, transport visitors through time, evoking the city's resilience and the strategic importance of these structures in preserving its heritage.